Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video here on Jasmy. Wanted to do a full update on Jasmy. It was quite strong earlier this morning. It is still bullish, I would say, on the lower time frames, but on the higher time frames, it is consolidating here. And the big question is, well, can we actually break out of that consolidation right now? All right, so you can see right here, we have a strong resistance, also formed with a Fibonacci level. That's this orange line. Strong level, has rejected us many times, as you can see. But yeah, just wanted to do just wanted to give you my thoughts on what we can do here. And personally, in all transparency, I bought Jasmy earlier this morning. In my eyes, it seems like we can break out. But we'll talk about that. And just in general, if you're new to the channel, we're going to do a full technical analysis here on Jasmy. Fundamentally, I don't think there's much to say about Jasmy at the moment. I know that they have some great things planned for the roadmap later this year. But at the moment, I don't think that there's anything we necessarily need to talk about regarding the fundamentals. The big thing in my eyes is the technicals now. Which is that we've been consolidating here, I would say, since the beginning of November. Which is, I mean, if you zoom out enough, this is bullish, right? Because you can actually see that we were down here for a bit. We shifted the consolidation upwards. We tried to break above this level right here at 2.25 cents, which is a bit of a psychological resistance level as well. A couple of times. For now, it's all been fake outs. But what you can see right now, and that's also one of the reasons why I think it's most likely we will break out of this range soon, is that first of all, altcoins are performing well. Bitcoin dominance is dropping down here, as you can see, and we're going to remove those fair value gaps. But no, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping down here, so altcoins actually have room to grow, and that's also what has been happening over the course of this morning, as you can see right here. A ton of strength across the board. And Jasmy itself, what you can see here is that we've gained a lot of momentum over the course of this morning. That could also be its downfall, and it's not guaranteed that we'll break out here. I think ultimately this consolidation right here will break out. I think that's pretty much a guarantee, even though there's no guarantees in crypto. So I do expect us to break out here, but why I think it's most likely that we will break out on the short term, so do something like this, is the fact that we are gaining that momentum, but at the same point of time, I think the general circumstances, like we've just talked about regarding the altcoin market, and also the volume for Jasmy here, which is around 200 million, this should continue to go up. That would be best if we actually want to get the breakout soon. But this volume we have right here is on par, or at least it's starting to look like the volume we also had the last time. We were at least able to get up to 2.35 cents. So that combination of momentum, volume, and market circumstances, for me, is enough to assume that we're going to break out. Now, I bought earlier this morning, so I'm still in profit at the current prices. I think that if you want to be safe at the current level, I would either wait for a pullback back to the middle of the range again, if we actually do get that, which there's no guarantee, but it is certainly a possibility. Because the funding rates are also getting quite high, and I would assume that the funding rates for Jasmy are similar. So I would wait for that, or wait for this real level to break, right? The main resistance level we have is like 2.28. Get a breakout above that, and then we actually have a confirmed breakout, and then there's still plenty of upsides, as you can see, to rally into later. But yeah, those are my thoughts. I think that's most likely for Jasmy right here. Something like this is most likely, I would say. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. Those are the most important levels here, and trade opportunities, trade ideas at least. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.